giant! Guys, do you hear? What is that?
Now I'll feast on dinosaurs! No!
Guys, you won't believe what I found. Like this video, sub my channel. Do you want to know? It's a portal. Where is it going to? Come with me. Guys, where did the portal took us to? The portal took us to the Jurassic World. And I'm in a giant egg. Wow, they're so giant. Guys, do you hear? What is that?
Now I'll feast on dinosaurs! No!
Dinosaurs are good. And they're so cute. We need to save dinosaurs.
Help us, Vova! Help! Oh, help us! Help! Help us!
Oh no, guys, what is Train Eater doing? Eating such wonderful dinosaurs. Need to do something. Oh, I know what. Hit the like button. Sub my channel. First I need war paint. I'm ready to beat up Train Eater. Guys, we need artifacts to power up the dinosaurs. Let's find medallions. Let's go to power up the dinosaurs. Now let's power up Pterodactyl with an amulet of power. Let's power up Spinosaurus with an amulet of speed. And now power up T-Rex with an amulet of telekinesis. Certificate for protecting dinosaurs. Thanks for help. Hit the like, sub my channel. I have more videos. Go down, click on my channel and watch. Bye bye. Don't forget like and subscribe. Bye bye.